birthday, Jet! God bless you always!
Assalamualaikum, Jet. Shana helwa kami. Happy birthday in Arabic. In English, DJ happy birthday. Just want to say, take care always. Kasi amok no kasano ti maya dayo ti nasawaan. Kaya sabi ko mata, agsinsinpot ka barok. Manong ko. Happy 29th birthday. Wish you all the best and keep safe.
Happy birthday, Jet!
May you have many, many more birthdays to come. We wish you all the best. Ingat palagi and God bless.
Happy birthday, Mang Jet! Take care always. God bless.
Happy birthday, Jet. Agsingsingpit ka baro. Agandad ka yata trabaho no somrek ka. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tito Jet. We love you. Take care. God bless, Tito Jet. We want you to be happy.
Happy 29th birthday kayong kumpadre Jet. Papartian kanto ti mesa nga manok tuluda kindness of Antilinda. Anyo, happy 29th birthday. Kristan Lo, Canosa Pasqua.
We love you, Tito Jet.
God bless you.
Ingat.
We love
God
you.
bless. We love you, Tito Jet.
Take care always.
And we love you too.
We love you.
Okay. Hi, Jet! Happy birthday! Ingat kita. Di ka manglimot.
Happy birthday, Tol. More birthdays to come. Magananos ka. Ingat lagi. Take care. God bless. We love you. Bye.
Ikaw, happy birthday, Jet. Salamat ka na pang trabaho baro. Barang man na yung pagkatao nagbiag. Makikita tayo tumanan.
Happy birthday, Baro. God bless you. Magananad kadta. Tatrabaho.
Happy birthday, anak ko. Take care of yourself. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Basta tilaglagi po. We love you very much. Kung ano man ang... Basta, we wish you the best in life. You live happy. You live happy with Dawn. And have a beautiful family.
Hello, San. Kumusta kan? Kumusta ta trabaho? Yan anos mo ti agtrabaho tapno narimpimpos ti masakbayam. Happy birthday in advance. May you have more birthdays to come. Ingat palagi. Love you, San.
For a wonderful and amazing husband for me ever. I wish you a better life for today, tomorrow, and forever with me. I'm so thankful to God for the special gift that He sent to me, and that is you. I pray to God that all our dreams and plans in life will come true. Always remember that I'm always here for you no matter what. I love you, baby. Happy birthday!
And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy birthday to you.